next week sometime. Show you guys. Yeah, just hopefully it's not the truck. Doubt it, but that doesn't look too bad. But they're pretty bad. This one's pretty good. But yeah, and then I'm gonna drop the truck off at Max's. He's gonna have it for the weekend. Fix the sex lights and a couple other small things. All right, whole gang. Gang. We got our first bounce off. She's sleeping good. We have made her to Minneapolis. Let's see what we're working with. It's about 6:30 in the morning. I'm feeling a million times better. It's gonna be a good day. The boys are back. It's gonna be a good day. Time to head to the stadium. Well, alright guys, it is Sunday. It is time to head out. It was definitely fun. Some wild things happened last night. Running a couple hours of sleep. Show you guys one more view of my room, and then I'm out. Pretty nice, huh guys? Pretty nice. Just at Burger King, getting a little bit of food in our stomach before we get heading back home. It's gonna be a winter storm. We're supposed to get like 13 feet of snow, or 13 inches. Sorry guys, I'm just hungover and you gotta bear with me. I promise we're gonna have some good trucking in the next couple clips, so stay tuned. It's been about a week since I've hauled anything or got in the truck. Got a load going to Kent, Washington from Yankton, hauling 3 telehandlers. Well, at Max's shop here, truck's she's running good. I'm surprised because it's like 10 degrees right now, and the last couple days have just been in the negatives, like super cold. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. That's what we like to hear. Yo. Max, I gotta get going to Yankton, so hey, I appreciate it. See you again. I'll see the bill in the mail. Later, man. We're just gonna sit here, bud. I got here around 4:30. They said that they loaded till 5. They have like 3 gates. It's been a crap show. We'll just say that because they decided, oh, it's Friday. Let's just leave early. Let's just say screw this guy. So I called the manager about 100 times, and now he finally picked up. He's just about 3 blocks down the road, and so he's gonna come down and get me loaded. So we're still going to Washington. Little update, manager's here. Apparently he can't load, so we're just gonna pray to God that one of his workers is out at the bar already and can come back and get me loaded. I was having my doubts, but we just got the green light, so we're gonna get loaded. So Washington, here we come. Ready to head out. Gonna finish wrapping down the other other ones outside so the guys can get out of here. Huge shout out to those guys. It's like 6 o'clock on Friday. We are officially loaded, chained down, heading to Kent, Washington. Should get there Monday, or I should arrive there Sunday, but man, it's been a pain in my butt. It's been a minute since I've used chains and bindings, so yeah, took a little longer. I actually had some people stop by, and I just was not in the mood. I'm coming off the influenza. It sucks to tell my fans. I'm sorry, guys, especially to those 2 guys that stopped by. We are on our way to Washington. This is how you know you're in South Dakota. Made it to Belle Fourche. It's about 2:30 in the morning. Got a train, of course. Still feel like shit, but been drinking a lot of water, a lot of cough drops, and that seems to be helping. Here's the train. So they've been playing go, stop, backwards, go, stop, backwards game. So yeah, that's awesome. So it's been about 10 minutes. Just stopped for the night. I'll hopefully get some trailer tires put on. It's about 4 in the morning, so I'm going to sleep. Good night, guys. I gotta say, these guys are pretty smart. Not only do they do good work and they're cheap and they're fair with you, but they got a motherfucking heated toilet. Like, oh man, I'm definitely getting one of these when I get home. All right. Grant truck in repair out of Broadus, Montana. It's Saturday and did a couple tires swapped on the trailer and just got the alignment done. Colton here, he got her all squared away. Super cheap, super fast, family owned business, and they got a lot of cool stuff. So if you guys ever are in the area, make sure to give them a call. Hey Colton, you got a Instagram or anything like that? Colton Grant, that's it?
With 2 T's at the end.
With 2 T's at the end. All right. Well, I'll make sure to put it in the description too, so you can see how bad the tires were. That's insane. Wire showing it all, and it was it was out of alignment. It's time to head to Seattle, Washington now. Colton, you want to say what's up to YouTube real quick?
What's up, YouTube?
What's up? Yeah. Off to Seattle, and then meeting up with the boys again. They ended up getting another spot in the area, but a lot closer to the mountains, so it's only 10 minutes from Mount Baker. That's gonna be nice because it was like an hour drive there and an hour drive back every day. Sad to see all the trees burned down. Not on this side though. This is what I've been drinking on the daily for the last freaking 2 weeks. I'm over this shit right now. to Kent, Washington. Just at Deer Lodge right now. Fueling up. It's like an 8-hour drive. Probably won't make it the whole way. Just get past all the scales. A little update. It is Sunday and made her past Spokane, Washington, about a half hour. So got about a 4-hour drive. Still fighting this cold, but you know, I think she's finally getting towards the end. But I don't know, man. It's tough saying. It's been like 2 weeks now here in Spokane, and got my boy from where you from, my man? Jamaica, my man. You know, he wanted to stop by, and that's his rig right there. Where are you heading?
I'm heading like 200 miles closer to Seattle.
Oh yeah, so yeah, outside Seattle, outskirts, and picked it up where?
South Carolina.
South Carolina. So yeah, but
That's like 3,000 miles away.
yeah, that's crazy. Man, I love Jamaica. I got the truck. I'm getting the truck in the video. Then we got this one, but then we got this guy. Oh yeah, he wants the whole photo shoot and all. There we go. Work it, my man. Know with your phone?
Yeah.
I got you. All right. I gotta say this is a first, but it's cool. We'll see if any of those are good. If not, I'll take another one. No,
Let's go down.
yeah? Okay. I took a few of them, so. I'm Tony. I'm Nick. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you, Nick. I've seen a lot of trucks, but I've never seen nothing like this. Honestly, the truck is, the color is perfect. The truck is bad, yeah.
Chuck is bad, so.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
I appreciate you. Till next time.
Yeah, we good. This is all right? Yeah.
Time to hit the road. About 4 hours left. Time to hammer down. He's sticking with me back there. My Jamaican pal. I wish I could talk to him. Crappy part is, like, every time I touch the CV to talk, it's all staticky and like, I don't know, it's really bad. I need to get that fixed, like, especially because it's really important. I can at least hear